What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. Now this is basically telling your iPhone to update every app that has updates available in the App Store. So by default, when you go to your Apple App Store and tap in a profile icon, you should see all the apps that have updates available that haven't updated because they're waiting for you to manually tap on update so they can start updating. So by setting automatic app updates, basically your iPhone will update all the apps that have updates available. So how do you do that? So first thing you need to do is exit App Store and go to settings. And then on the settings page, you want to scroll down to App Store. Tap on App Store, and somewhere at the top there, just below apps, you should see app updates, and you want to turn that on, and your iPhone will automatically start updating applications whenever there's Wi-Fi. Now if you want this to also happen when you're using mobile data, you can turn this on in the next section where it says mobile data. So turn that on. But even with that turned on, you can tap on app downloads down there, and you can be able to control how mobile data app updates are. Now you can choose to always allow, and this basically will allow all the updates to be installed using your mobile data if that's what's available. You can choose to ask if the app update will be over 200 MB, and you can choose to always ask, so your iPhone will always ask if you want to update a certain app using your mobile data. Now for me, I don't like to use my mobile data to update apps, so I turn that off, but I leave the other one turned on, which will update my apps whenever there's Wi-Fi. And that's how to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.